In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook username. Your username on Facebook is uniquely identified to you, and it's important you have it customized. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to change your Facebook username. It's pretty simple and easy. On your phone, navigate to your Facebook app and tap on it. On the top right corner, proceed to click on your profile icon. On this interface, scroll down until you locate settings and privacy. Continue to click on settings. So you land on an interface like this. Proceed to click on account center. And the account center, you see your profile. So continue to click on profiles. Make sure you select the account that you want to change your username. In this case, I want to change the username of this name, Mubarick Mohammed. So you land on an interface like this where you see name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Since I want to change my username, I'll proceed to tap on this. So as you can see, this is my current username, which is Mubarick Mohammed Usman. And changing your username will also change your Facebook timeline address. And to change it, you can quickly tap on this box, then make the necessary changes that you want to make into it. After that, you proceed to click on done. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.